field with the help of marker as per requirement of the crop in both the directions. It is generally done manually by the dibbler. Now let's have a look at advantages of this method. Through this method, spacing between rows and plants can be easily maintained. Seeds can be dibbled at desired depth in the moisture zone. Optimum plant population can be maintained. Seed requirement is less than other methods. Implement is not required for sowing, and intercrop can be taken in wider spaced crops, and crosswise intercultivation is possible. It has few disadvantages as well. It is a very time consuming and laborious method. It requires more labor, hence increases the cost of cultivation. Only high value and bold seeds can be sown, and it requires strict supervision. Now next comes the concept of transplanting vegetable crops. In agriculture and gardening, transplanting or replanting is the technique of moving a plant from one location to another. Most often, this takes the form of starting a plant from seed in optimal conditions, such as in a greenhouse or protected nursery bed. Then, replanting it in another, usually outdoor, growing location. It is the raising of seedlings or nursery beds and transplanting of seedlings in the laid out field. For this, seedlings are allowed to grow on nursery beds for about 3 to 5 weeks. Beds are watered one day before the transplanting of nursery to prevent jerk to the roots. The field is irrigated before actual transplanting to get the seedlings established early and quickly, which reduce the mortality. Transplanting has a variety of applications such as growing season can be extended by starting plant indoors before outdoor conditions are favorable. It helps in protecting young plants from diseases and pests until they are sufficiently established, and it also helps in avoiding germination problems by setting out seedlings instead of direct seeding. Once your seeds have sprouted, you will want to transplant them in a larger area or more favorable climate and soil to provide optimal growth conditions to the seedling. While performing this, you must be very careful not to disturb the root system. Damaging the roots of your plants at any stage in their life can be detrimental to them. The use of transplants enables the gardener to mature many warm season vegetables outdoors and hasten maturity of cool season vegetables. Now let's have a look at requirements for starting transplants.